I'm Bonnie Chung, I'm from Sheffield and I'm 19 years old. I'm currently studying at LSE. I'm in my first year and I've just moved down to London. My idea for Bedroom Britain is a company called The Truth, and The Truth is a socially responsible fashion brand that inspires you to think, whereby hidden within each product there's a message or a philosophy that's hidden that inspires you each time you use that product. This bag pretty much encapsulates the essence of The Truth, whereby there's hidden messages on the inside. If you see the truth in small things and realise the truth in great things, you're on your way to enlightenment. So within each bag there's little hidden messages, and that really mirrors the search for truth in our own lives, because we have to search for the truth within the product. I've been running my own handbag business since I was 15. When I started, it was because I couldn't find a bag that I wanted, and at the time it was a denim bag that I wanted. So I cut up a pair of my own jeans and made it into a bag, as you can see. When I used it for school one time, a lot of people liked it, and so they ordered. A lot of my friends ordered one, and that started my business really. So I want to expand on that handbag business through The Truth. Well, today I'm looking for some fabrics to make a bag for my friend, and she's really interested in sort of ethnic embroidery, and she really likes bright colours. I usually work with satins and silks. I don't use leathers or furs or any animal fabrics at all. The idea behind The Truth is very much in keeping with my own philosophy in life and my belief that we should be more reflective, and I really believe that honest purposes are a solution to many of the world's problems, which are often based on ignorance and conflict of interests. I'd like to be a social entrepreneur and setting up businesses that really make a difference to the quality of people's lives. I guess I've always been taught to see any obstacle as a challenge. A lot of young people say that maybe adults or other people don't take them seriously enough, and I think the important thing there is that you can't just say that you're serious, you have to prove that you're serious, and to prove that you're serious you've got to show them that you can do something, actually have something to show for what you're saying, showing the evidence that you're serious.